So the catch to this question is you must take note that the pens and the pencils, they are at different units. One is in dollars, one is in cents. All right. So but the cost is in T dollars. So if one pen, like C pens at D dollars each, right, it means that one pen costs D dollars. Two pens will cost 2D, right? Yeah, so two pens will cost, so it's like one pen costs $5, two pens will cost 10. You basically have the total cost is like the number of pens multiplied by the cost of each pen. So for the pens, right, you can see that the total cost here, T, will be equals to C multiplied by D. All right, that is the number of pens multiplied by the cost of each pen, plus E. Now each pencil costs F cents, so you remember that if it's E pencils, each pencil E, right, total E pencils, and each pencil costs F cents. F cents, take note that everything here is in terms of dollars. It means that you need to change this to F, so-called in terms of dollars. Now F cents, right, from a cent to a dollar. Now 1 cent basically represents a 0.01 of a dollar. So is, or also can say it's like 1/100. So is E multiplied by F cents, which is F cents is like F divided by 100 dollars. So convert from a cent to a dollar, you have to divide by 100. Okay, now simplifying this, now between algebra, in algebra we don't have to write the times, so C times D is just CD, E times F. Take note now you're multiplying to the numerator only, that is EF over 100. So this is the formula for your part 1. So take note, why is it we convert the F to dollars and why not the C to cents? Because we are using dollars here. The cost is in dollars and not in cents. That's why everybody has to be in terms of dollars. Okay. Now if E is equals to 1 negative 145 4 minus C, and D is equals to F plus 50 over F plus 5 over 50, sorry. Okay, E is equals to 150 and D is equals to 3. I want to find the value of T. Okay, so E is equals to negative 14. So you basically substitute negative, just give me a sec. Okay, so yeah, so E is equals to 150, which means that you're replacing this as 150, and D is equals to 3. So D is equals to 3, right? So from here, what we're going to do next is we're going to basically find the value of C and F. So 150 is equals to negative 145C over 4 minus C, right? Okay. Now very quickly, if you treat 150 as 150 over 1, you can do a cross multiplication. Okay. So the blue arrow, that will give you negative 145C. 1 times negative 145 is negative 145. On the right hand side, you have 150 multiplied by 4 minus C. Okay, so this gives you negative 145C equals to 150 times 4 is 600. 150 minus C is negative 150C. Okay, now of course I want to make both sides the same. So I'm going to bring the smaller guy to the this is the smaller guy to the bigger guy. Okay, so I'm going to add both sides by 150C. I'm going to add both sides by 150C. This will cancel off, and negative 145 plus 150, this gives me 5C equals to 600, and C is equals to, divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5. Since I see a times 5, I divide by 5. 600, I get C equals to 120. Okay, on the right hand side, 3 is equals to F plus 5 over 50. Okay, so multiply both sides by 50 first to get rid of the 50, divide by 50. 150 equals to F plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. Cancel, cancel. You have F equals to 145. Okay, so once you have F equals to 145, C equals to 120, all you need to do is to substitute this into the value of T. Okay, so you know that these two questions are when there's part 1 part 2 are they are actually linked. Okay, part 1 part 2 are linked. So when you have the value of C and the value of F, you need to substitute this back into the question here. Okay, back into the value question here. Okay, back into the question here. So now you know okay, as of this question, you are given, you have found C is equals to 120. You are given E is equals to 150. This is question give you. Question also give you that D equals to 3. And you yourself found that F is 145. Okay. Now using the formula T equals to CD plus EF over 100. This will be, okay, just substitute your values in. C is 120 multiplied by D, which is 3, plus EF. Now E is 150, F is 145, divide by 100. Now just calculate this out. I think you will get your answer. The answer is 577.50. That is the total cost.